I am Abhishek Parid, 7th semester, Department of Mechanical Engineering, BGMIT, Mudola. Today we are going to learn paper recycling process from old newspapers and used papers. This recycling process is under the guidance of Dr. H.V. Mulimani, Assistant Professor, BGMIT, Mudola. The recycled paper can be used as greeting cards, files as well as Xerox papers.
Here we have taken 100 grams of newspaper and cutting them into small pieces. We can also use the shredder machine for cutting the papers. For 100 grams of paper, we have taken 3 grams of rosin and 6 grams of alum. We are adding the rosin and alum to the paper pieces that we have already cut. We are adding 1 liter of water to the mixture. Now it's time to start the motor to make the pulp. We have made the frame for preparing the papers. As per our frame, we are taking 150 gram of pulp to attain required shape and thickness. Now we are taking the pulp inside the frame and dip that frame into the tray, which is filled with water. Make sure that pulp is distributed uniformly inside the frame. Once the pulp is distributed uniformly, take out the frame from the tray and remove the excess amount of water from the pulp using dry cloth or sponge, as shown in video. Once the excess amount of water is removed from the pulp, now let it dry by hanging it. It takes minimum 8 hours to completely dry.
The next day.
Now the paper is ready. We need to just make it uniform and cut its edges. To make it uniform, we are going to roll on it. We can also put the paper in between the press to make it uniform. Once the paper is uniform, now it's time to cut the edges. Now the paper is ready to use. These are the papers which we have made. Thanks for watching the video.